Most Shopify store owners are playing the wrong game in 2026. They're spending more on ads, chasing more traffic, running more discounts, and the revenue barely moves. Here's the truth. You don't have a traffic problem, you have a monetization problem. People are already coming to your site, adding to their cart, even initiating a checkout, and then you just let them leave without making an additional offer. That's money walking right out the door on every single order. And today, I'm showing you the one app that'll fix this for your entire Shopify store. Here's what most stores look like right now. Maybe you have one app doing something in the cart. Maybe you add a just might also like section at the end of a product page. And your thank you page says thank you for your order, which is really nice. But nothing happens after checkout. Nothing. What happens is this makes the experience completely disconnected, and your customers can really feel it. And when an offer feels random or bolted on or just really out of place, they completely ignore it. Or worse, it actually hurts your conversion value because they lose trust in you. And it even feels cluttered at times. What you need is a system that covers the entire journey. Product page, cart, checkout, thank you page, and anything post-purchase. One tool where an offer is relevant, well-timed, and easy to accept. And that's what Upsell can bring you. This is the Upsell app right here, and it is used by over 40,000 Shopify store owners. They've generated over $2.8 billion in merchant revenue, and they have a 4.8 rating on the Shopify App Store with over 4,300 five-star reviews. They even have a Built for Shopify badge, which means Shopify has verified it to its highest standards. Let me show you what it actually does for your store. So the first touch point here is a product page. Before someone even adds something to their cart, you can show them a better version of what they're already looking for. So this can be a larger size, it could be a bundle, it could be a premium option. You set the condition so the right offer shows based on what they're actually looking for. And here's what it'll look like. You can actually go in here and create a slot, edit all of these options here, add specific conditions, and make it customized for that customer on that specific journey. And if you don't have anything guiding them towards a higher value purchase, you're hoping they figure it out themselves, and oftentimes they won't. This is where you can add a product upsell, which could be a suggestion or a small bump in value when it comes to the overall purchase that they are trying to make. So showing them the better option. And what this will allow you to do is to be able to essentially help them make a better purchase. They have a better experience at the cart page, and then ultimately makes you more revenue. And the great thing about adding this in is that if you implement this on every cart page, it will compound over time. So if you show people the right upsell, specifically even creating maybe an A/B test, which you can do within the app, you can see what works and what doesn't over time. The next one we're going to talk about is the post-purchase first and second. Now, the feature that separates this from everything else, post-purchase one-click upsells. The customer has already completed the purchase. They've already paid. But before they hit the thank you page, which they will ultimately get to, they can see one or maybe two more offers. And the great thing is they can accept it with just one click. They don't have to put their payment information in. There's no friction at all. All they have to do is say yes or no. And that's the beauty of a first and a second post-purchase upsell. The first one can be, hey, here's a limited time offer to actually upgrade your offer. The second one could be, we are only offering this for people who just bought this specific product, which should be exactly what they bought. What this allows you to do is frame in their mind that you want to give them the best possible option. And this product has urgency because it's only featured when somebody buys this specific time, and they won't ever see this offer again. That's why it's important to include post-purchase first and second upsells on your Shopify store. And it's one of the highest converting upsell placements too, because they've already bought, they've already put in their information. All they have to do is just tap one button and they're good and ready to go. Also, the trust is at its peak here. They've already bought from you. So if you can help them make a better purchase, they're just going to trust you even more. Then the last one is the thank you page. Every single customer sees this page on every single order, but almost every store has it set to a boring thank you for your purchase page. With upsell.com, you can actually turn this into a potential revenue generating page. You could have upsells, you could have cross sells, you can have an announcement bar, you can do bundles. And the great thing is that they've already bought from you. So the trust is there. You can just add elements to their potential order that would ultimately help them. So you can even go cross sell, which is selling an additional product, let's say a phone case for somebody who just bought a phone, or an upsell or an upgrade, which means that they have bought a premium product or an upgraded product. And here's the truth, most stores show them absolutely nothing. And that's a missed opportunity you have on every single order to get a higher conversion value, but also to get a lifelong customer that trusts you more, that has a better experience. And here's the most important part about all of these different tools within upsell.com. You can set conditions. What conditions allow you to do is to show custom upsells based on what they've bought. Maybe a specific tag, maybe an SKU, maybe a vendor, maybe a product name, maybe a specific variant. maybe an order value. Maybe they got a specific order value, you give them a discount code on a future purchase. This is going to be the most important part because if you can customize the offer for the person that is ordering in that specific moment for every order, then you're going to be able to have one of the best customer experiences online and make you more revenue and have happy customers every single day. So here's why I'm calling this the best Shopify app for growth in 2026. Most apps just give you one touch point. It could be a cart widget, it could be a pop-up, it could be a thank you page, and then you end up installing 3 to 4 different apps trying to cover what just one can do by itself. And every app you add onto your store actually slows your store down. It adds some complexity to your store process, and it possibly could create a worse experience for your customer. What upsell.com offers is a product page, a cart, a checkout, a post-purchase, a thank you page, order status pages where you can add upsells and cross-sells at any specific time. And it's all in one tool. You can even have conditions and smart segmentation where you can show different offers to different customers based on what they bought, how much they've spent, or whether or not they're a new customer or an existing customer. And with A/B testing, you can actually see what's working instead of guessing. It also has a very intuitive platform that's very easy to use from experienced Shopify store owners to just a beginner that started today. And let me tell you, with over 40,000 merchants, $2.8 billion in revenue generated, and 4,300 5-star reviews, it doesn't get much better than that. Plus, it starts off free. So if you want to try it for yourself, there's a link in the description straight to the Shopify App Store link. Go check out upsell.com and try it out yourself. Let me know what questions you have because I'll be answering every single question about the app below in the comments. And if this video was helpful and you want to get more growth strategies, app walkthroughs, tutorials of how to use upsell.com and ways that you can implement different kind of upsells into your Shopify store, hit that subscribe button. I'll be uploading content every single week, so make sure to stay tuned for what's coming up next. And if you have a question about how to set up upsell.com into your Shopify store or have any other questions about upsells, drop a comment. I'll answer every single one. See you in the next one.